everyone, this is Nate from Geezer Skate, and I'm here with an update video. A few episodes ago, you might remember that I put together this new school retro-inspired setup, and now that I've had some time to skate it, I've got some opinions. First of all, I love this shape. Scram did an amazing job with this, the Whopper that they call it. I've seen that they've got it back with some other graphics now. This one, I'm not sure what the graphic name is on it, but I know this came out back in, I think, 2017 or 2018. I know I bought it in 2018 and finally put it together this year. It's a great shape. I love this thing. I love riding it. It feels so good. The Ace trucks, the AF177s, really like these a lot. They feel so good for carving, which is about what I do, as you can see from these videos here. Big fan of that. They're super carvy, feel great for that. So if you're into carving, highly recommend a set of these here. The wheels, however, these are the Road Crew wheels that they did in collaboration with Scram. I'm not so sure about these. I might have to switch these out for some Santa Cruz slime balls or something like that. I just don't feel like they roll as good, you know? Eric, who I met at the skate park a couple weeks ago, was saying that the urethane formula that they use on these is subpar, and so he said it feels more like a board that you would get set up at Walmart rather than a Pro Series. So I tend to agree. You know, the urethane feels plasticky. It doesn't seem to roll as nicely as my slime balls do that I have on other setups. So I'll probably switch these out now that I've had some time to ride and, you know, see how they perform. But let me know in the comments if you've ridden Road Crew and if you have a different experience with them, or if your experience is roughly the same. Thanks for watching. Would appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment and let us know what you'd like to see more of. In the meantime, check out one of these other videos for old school content. Till next time, keep skating, stop aging.